Number 10. The invisible pressure you don't even notice. Every time you sit in the saddle, your horse feels everything. Your tension, your balance, your hesitation, even your breathing patterns. Now here's the problem. Most riders think they're being calm when they're actually stiff. And to a horse, stiffness doesn't mean control. It means danger is nearby and something is wrong. So your horse reacts, not because it's disobedient, but because it thinks you're scared. Number 9, pulling the reins too much. This is one of the biggest mistakes riders make every day. You pull to slow down. You pull to stop. You pull just to feel in control. But your horse feels trapped. Imagine someone constantly grabbing your face to guide you. You wouldn't feel safe. You'd feel restricted. Horses need soft communication, not constant pressure on their mouth. Too much pulling creates confusion, and confusion creates stress. Number 8, inconsistent signals. One day you allow something. The next day you punish it. To you, it's just a bad day. To your horse, it's chaos. Horses survive on patterns. They learn through consistency. When your signals keep changing, they don't know what's right anymore. And that uncertainty, that's one of the fastest ways to stress a horse out. Number 7, ignoring small warning signs. Your horse doesn't explode out of nowhere. It starts small, ears pinned back, tail flicking, tension in the body. But most people ignore it until suddenly the horse overreacts. But it wasn't sudden. You just missed the earlier messages. And now your horse feels like it has no other way to be heard. Number 6, rushing everything. Humans love speed. Horses love clarity. You rush mounting. You rush transitions. You rush training sessions. But your horse is still trying to process the last thing you asked. When you move too fast, your horse feels overwhelmed. And overwhelmed animals don't learn. They shut down or push back. Number 5, punishing fear. This one is huge. Your horse spooks, gets nervous, steps sideways. And your reaction? Anger, correction, pressure. But think about it. Your horse wasn't being bad. It was being afraid. Punishing fear teaches one thing, that you are not safe. And once a horse stops trusting you, everything becomes harder. Number 4, no mental stimulation. Horses aren't machines. They don't exist just to be ridden in circles every day. When their environment becomes repetitive and boring, their stress builds in a different way. They become frustrated, restless, disconnected. A bored horse is not a calm horse. It's a ticking problem waiting to show up later. Number 3, bad energy from you. You don't need to say a word. Your horse already knows how you feel. If you're angry, distracted, or stressed, your horse absorbs that instantly. Because in the wild, reading energy is survival. So when your mind is chaotic, your horse becomes uneasy. And suddenly, nothing feels smooth anymore. Number 2, overworking without recovery. More training doesn't always mean better results. Sometimes it means exhaustion. Physical stress, mental burnout. Your horse starts losing motivation, losing focus. Even simple tasks become difficult because it's not laziness, it's fatigue. Number 1, not listening at all. This is the biggest mistake of all. Your horse is always communicating, every second, through movement, through posture, through subtle changes you can easily miss. But most people don't listen. They talk. They command. They expect. Without ever asking one simple question. What is my horse trying to tell me right now? Because the truth is, your horse isn't trying to make things difficult. It's trying to feel safe. And once you understand that, everything changes. If you start fixing even one of these today, your horse will notice immediately, and that connection, that's where real control begins.